Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, let's delve into a common problem faced by many server developers. Picture this. You're working on your own Node.js server, setting up a nice little REST API. Everything seems to be going smoothly until you realize that the location where you're storing your private key and certificate might not be as secure as you'd like. The files are easily accessible within your project, posing a potential security problem. Now, the challenge arises: how do you store these sensitive files securely while ensuring your server can still access them? Quite a conundrum, right? In tackling this problem, the solution lies in implementing more secure designs. One approach is to encrypt the private key and provide the decryption key to the server during startup in a secure manner. Alternatively, you could store the private key in an external key management system, KMS, introducing a different layer of security. Another strategy involves allowing the server to initially start with higher privileges to read the key, but then dropping these privileges after loading the key into memory. This method is commonly used by web servers for enhanced security. Solution aside, it's crucial to understand that these implementations can add complexity to your existing setup. The decision to opt for a more secure approach depends on the specific threats your server may face and the potential impact of a security breach. Remember, security is always a balance between convenience and protection. So, weigh your options wisely. In conclusion, ensuring the security of your server's private key and certificate is paramount in safeguarding sensitive information. By exploring more secure designs and understanding the trade-offs involved, you can better protect your system from potential threats. Thanks for tuning in today, and remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!